Hey everyone, this is Chris over at AceVacuums, your one-stop shop for all your cleaning and Dyson repair needs. So we get a lot of calls from customers out of the Aldie, Virginia area asking if we are warranty center for Dyson in the area, and the answer to both of those questions is yes. We are a warranty center for Dyson, and we do work in Aldie, Virginia. We are a quick 10-minute drive up from the Aldie Town Center. We have very easy and convenient parking, and we're right off the road so you can see us. We do all warranty stuff for Dyson, so if it's the cordless Dyson, the uprights, the canisters, whatever you have, we pretty much can do. Some of the other products that Dyson carries, we don't do a whole lot of warranty stuff with them just because we focus mainly on vacuums, so we try to stick to just that. But any of the Dyson vacuums that's within the warranty, you can bring them to us and we can certainly help you guys out with whatever you need. Typically what we do is when you bring the vacuum in, we need you to bring in a couple things. Just your name and information, basic information, name, address, email, stuff like that. And then the last thing we're going to need when you come in is a proof of purchase or a receipt of purchase. So whether you bought it from Best Buy, Walmart, Amazon, wherever you bought the vacuum from, make sure you bring in some sort of copy of that receipt along with you. That way we can go ahead and do all the labor work and legwork for you and submit everything over to the manufacturer. So a lot of the common issues we see is battery issues, roller not spinning, no suction, loss of suction, things like that. A lot of these are very common and easy fixes. So if it's something under the warranty claim, what you do is you bring it in. We are open 7 days a week. There's no appointment necessary. We work off a first come, first served basis. We'll get the estimate. We'll have the technician take a look at the unit, diagnose what the exact problem is, and if it is a warranty related issue, we will send everything off for the parts that we need to get the vacuum fixed for you under the warranty. Once we receive them and get them installed, we'll keep you updated every step of the way. And then when the vacuum's ready, we'll either give you a text, send you a text, or give you a call saying, hey, it's ready to pick up, whatever's easiest for you, and then you just come in and collect the unit. Typically, the warranty process takes 1 to 3 days, depending on the availability of the parts and when they're going to be able to come in and things like that. So it's not a huge turnaround time. If you do have any questions, you can always give us a call at 703-997-9292 to see if it's inside the warranty, outside the warranty. We can do all that checking for you. Like us on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, as well as YouTube, and stay up to date with everything that we got going on. If you guys do have any questions, please feel free to stop in as well. We can answer any questions here at the store. Give us a call, stop in, see us. We'll handle all the stuff for you guys down there in Aldie, Virginia, all your Dyson warranty repair needs. Thanks, guys.